40, Nissan.
Mm-hmm.
And he had his little Porsche, and we was racing on. He had a 944, I think it was, or 924, something like that. And we racing, and I beat him. And he's like, man, we don't have to race again because something's wrong with his car. I'm like, I choose not to race. I will always have that win underneath my belt.
It's off the shrimp.
Yeah. Because no way in the world I should have beat you anyway. But
I did, and a win is a win.
I'm gonna keep it that way. But see, think about it, I'm a more aggressive driver than he is.
Yeah, Mark, I can't really,
Now, Mark will drive fast every now and then, but Mark not gonna.
Floyd.
He just ain't. He ain't. We gonna do what this bitch can do. Me, I'm racing. I don't give a fuck. I'm racing. It's over with. I'm in the emergency pass thing, all that shit.
Do what I gotta do to win.
I'm gonna win. Different to me. One, I hate to lose.
Yeah.
I'm very competitive.
Okay.
Sometimes I feel fuck. But when you do a fuck, it's completely different.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk to my dad. Tell him what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna write everything down. Cause you a parent. Yeah, you a parent. So I gotta at least look like I'm serious, not just coming to you just talking. If I write everything down, you might look at me a little bit more serious than how you would if I was coming in.
If you serious, but it makes sense. Like right now, I bought this car one. You got these cars one, but it's rushing on the hindsight. And I found a car, the same car, that's it, with a little extra things that I want, a little cheaper. My note would be about $75, $50, $75 cheaper, or $100 cheaper, very much cheaper to be. Less mileage.
Oh, you said
a newer version. And the other difference is if I could just put my name in the granddad co-sign for me, I could then build my credit up and I can hear time, because right now I'm paying on time. I'm paying on time. But if I get a year, right now it doesn't help my credit. The way it's set up is not helping my credit. And if I get to switch over, if I put it in my name and you co-sign for me, versus being your name and you just paying a note, and help my credit back, give me more status for my future. And then two, I found somebody to take over my car as long as they get financed. They get financed and boom.
Okay. I'm all right.
That's the key. She has to be she has to come and tell you, hey, I got pre-approval, I need the car. She got the pre-approval, switch over to her name instantly. We can go over there and be sold and paid off, so you successful for your grandfather to be hey, I successfully borrowed the money and paid it off. That's what y'all help this credit. Successfully borrowed. Only thing is he ain't have it long enough. They go, hey, if you had it long enough, you paid it off.
Might keep it for
paid off too soon for credit too.
So
It don't hurt the credit, but it don't disrupt the credit. Don't mention that part. You got yourself.
okay.
Just say, hey, I found the car. The same that's 09 you got now, right?
Yeah.
I found one in 2012. This is a newer year. 3 years newer. Less mileage.
Wait.
Cheaper on the price. And I found somebody to take over my car note payment. They already pre-approved to switch the car into their name. Out of their name. And you can start your grandpa like, hey, this is what I found. Somebody to take over my car, take over the car. They don't get pre-approved. They came with pre-approved to buy the car outright, just to pay off them, buy it outright. And they'll take over the car and everything. I found another car I like, but I would like to put it in my name to a co-sign so it can help my credit right now. The car, I'm greatly appreciative. You got it, come and get it. But right now, it's not helping me with my credit.
Yeah, at all.
To give you a little bit more secure as I grow up, straight go out here and live a adult life with it.
But yeah,
And that's pretty much how you put it. So you put things logically. It's hard to argue logic. You figure it out.
Oh, I got it right here. I do that because I can't use my finger. I get some of the water out. I hit it again with the actual thing, squeegee thing. So when I was doing that, that's what happened with that one truck. I seen it slide over, so I'm trying to drain all the water out with this hard part first. There you go. You got a notebook in here?
Notebook?
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Alright, I'm gonna go Dollar General. I need to sit down. I need you to tell me exactly what cause you're a parent. You know what's gonna actually be understanding. If I
I'm not a parent, I'm just tell you what the way it makes sense that anybody can understand it, knows any type of knowledge about it. And I'm not gonna say common sense, but sense is not common.
You're right.
Okay? Remember that. Common sense is not common.
Okay. Common sense is not
You
common.
want like-minded people that understand things together. And that makes sense. They bring that. I just want to let you know I do appreciate it. You put a car in there and get him to get another car. But when I know, I bought another car, and another car, it's actually the same kind of car, but 3 years younger. And the fact that 3 years younger and with less mileage and a cheaper price, my car will go down. Now, the process, I found somebody who will take over car things. If she get approved and get the loan to buy the car straight out, that way the car straight off, will be decision to go under the other car and co-sign. Have the car in my name and be co-sign so it won't build my credit. Help me get a leg up out here. That's how you stay. Now it's time you okay, you need the motherfucker research.
Yeah, instead of me just coming like that, look, I got somebody who's gonna take over this car note. I need to get it out and get it switched over. That is. I said, compared to me just coming up to my dad like, yeah, Dad, I want to get this car switched out. I found something better. Like it just don't look more put together if I set everything.
I want to say first, I appreciate it because I was sick and I had my car messed up and I couldn't get around. And you gave me the opportunity to get back on my feet, and I really appreciate it. But I just have to come across the same car, 2012, with 30-some thousand miles on it, newer version with less miles on it, and I found somebody who's going to take over or pay the car directly off if they get pre-approved to pay the car all the way off. So the car can pay off. That way that car is square, and we have no connection to the car, it's paid off. And then I need somebody to co-sign, I just need to co-sign for the other vehicles. I'll have to get my name to build my credit. So right now, this car, I'm getting around, don't think I'm not appreciative.